Hi guys, so I have the Star Wars buildable figures here from Disney. I was shopping for some kids toys for a birthday party, and I saw this and I'm like, I want this. I'm a grown man. I love Star Wars. I grew up on Star Wars and I want this Lego set for myself. And no, I am not between the ages of 7 and 14. I am higher than that, way higher. But what the hey. Now this actually is comes with 81 pieces. So it's pretty intricate, and as you can see, it looks really lifelike. It looks like a real Stormtrooper from the First Order. And there are also, you can actually collect them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other characters here. And anybody familiar with Star Wars would recognize these characters very well. I might get another one. It depends on how well this looks. And apparently, you have like a real gun there, and can attach pieces, and yeah. So let's build this thing. Oh, one other thing, it stands about 9.2 inches tall. So for any of you, fellow geeks out there, trust me, this is something that you should have for yourself, and it doesn't cost much. These things are pretty cheap. Just cost me a couple of bucks, like 20 bucks or so. But yeah, let's build it. So here's the completed product, and he has a fully movable head that can swivel all around, and his zapper gun here, can move that around, his arms full motion. So he has a sidearm shooter, and he has a larger gun here. Now you can take this out with the hand if you want, and you can actually store it in the side pocket right here. Alright. So he has his gun there, and he can then use two hands, and you know, you can use, and actually there's a little piece here I can connect it into the bottom of the gun, the big gun. Oops. And I can use, I think I can use something here for that. Oh, wait a minute. So then I can, you can actually, you know, hold the big gun with two hands like that. Now what is also cool is that this gun, the big one, it's a real functioning gun. It comes with these two laser type thingies here, and you just put the, you can actually store one on the side here when you're not using it. So he actually has two rounds. You store the one round on the side here. Whoops. And the one that you want to be a live round, you put that in the chamber. Now, at the bottom here, there's a little trigger. So let me just shoot it into my hand so you can see what I mean. So I'm going to pull this trigger, and it shoots. And I've actually tried it out in the room here, and you get a good like 10 foot clearance with this thing. So be careful not to take anybody's eye out with this. Again, this is not for young kids, you know, 7 and over. But this, you know, a real functioning gun. So there's a little spring mechanism in there, and a real trigger. So that is really cool. So again, you have full motion of the feet and legs. As you can see, you can sit down, you can walk. You can, you know, you can put them in any type of poses. This makes a great desk piece for any hardcore Star Wars fan like myself, who also has a soft spot for Lego. There's a sidearm which can come off, as I showed you earlier, and you just put it here on the side. All right, and What else? So of course you can put the sidearm on either side, but there's you can store it here on either side of his legs as well. And the big gun can go in either arm, in either hand, as you can see here. And you saw that the gun actually works, the big gun, and you can store him. Torso moves, everything moves. And so if you have a soft spot for Lego, and you love Star Wars, and you're a bit of a geek like myself when it comes to this stuff, hey, this would be the perfect thing for you. So there he is. Here's your Star Wars collectible. This is, you know, a really, really cool toy. And it comes with a couple extra parts. It comes with like 5 little extra parts there, just in case you lose any of your Lego pieces. But yeah, this is a really good collectible. So guys, I hope you loved this video. If you want to get your hands on one of these or any of the set, check my links below. We can get these off of Amazon. And yeah, have fun. And may the Force be with you guys. Peace out.